Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Zhane here, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to do a Casetify accessory unboxing, guys. I've been waiting on this case for, I think 3 weeks. I ordered it November 6th, either November 6th or the 8th. And it's just coming in the mail today, November 23rd. So that was the situation for me. But I'm so excited to open this package with you guys and show you guys all the goodies that I got. If you haven't already seen my video, I mentioned that I have the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color gold. And I was heartbroken when I didn't have my customized case and screen protector when I got the phone. But it's okay, because we have it now. We can replace this $12 Amazon case with this expensive Casetify case. By the way, if you're not already subscribed, go on ahead and hit that lovely red subscribe button so you can join the family and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below as we go through the video so I can know like if you guys like this type of content. So I just want to give a little heads up, guys. This case was an investment. I have never paid more than maybe $20 for a phone case ever in my lifetime. Do y'all want to know how much I paid for this case? I'm not even gonna tell it right now. We're gonna save that for the end of the video, but I don't want to say I broke the bank because that's not true. I spent a pretty little penny on this case, and the shipping was free, so that was nice. Anyway, so let's open up this package. I really like the packaging. It says Casetify all over it. It's giving me very trendy vibes. And I guess I'll mention here, I found out about Casetify through social media. Literally all the influencers have a Casetify case, and I'm like, okay, these cases are mad cute and mad unique, and that's what I love from a case. So when it was time for me to get a new phone, I said, you know what, Arion, get a Casetify case. We have the screen protector, which is an anti-micro, I really don't want to sound ignorant trying to say this, antimicrobial, I'm gonna say that, antimicrobial screen protector. That's probably so wrong. Y'all, this is tempered glass. This thing better protect my phone. It better not have no scratches, no leaks, no stains, none of that, because that was an expensive screen protector. Then you pull out the custom phone case, and I don't know if I mentioned this in my intro, but I did get a custom phone case, and that was a really cool experience to kind of like put my own touch on the case. And for this phone, I wanted to go with something simple. My old case had like a little funky design, and it had a mirror on the back of it. Love the mirror. It came in handy so many times. I wanted to go with something simple, and you guys are gonna see this is a very simple but really cute case. So first I'm gonna take off my $12 Amazon case, and I've had this on for about a week and a half, and it's done the job. Unfortunately, I have dropped my phone multiple times just because that's who I am, and I just can't change that, and nothing has happened to the phone. It's one of those, you know, two-part cases. You take off the back and then you take off the front, and we're gonna do this all over my desk because I would be the one to like break my phone while trying to put on the case. Y'all, look at that beautiful gold. Again, if you have not already gone and watched my unboxing video, go check that out because this baby is sexy. So let's open up the case. I really like this packaging. I just think it's so like fun. Maybe I shouldn't have worn white because there's a lot of white going on. Ooh, all right. They definitely keep like your case like safe and protected. Oh, there's multiple stuff in here. Okay. So this is the packaging that the case came in. It's 100% recyclable. What is this? Treats? Is it a snack? Oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. They gave us a bunch of cleansing wet wipes. And then it also talks about how this protects our case. And another reason why I wanted to get a Casetify case is because I've heard or I've read so much about these cases actually being really protective. I did not get the most protective phone case because it was actually really expensive. And I was like, let's take baby steps to this Casetify world. So I think I got the second best one. You guys are gonna see it before me. Oh, what do you guys think? Comment down below what you guys think of the kit. Oh, I was about to be mad. I'm like, why isn't there a front of the case? Okay. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Okay, I was actually about to be upset because I thought I saw a bunch of scratches on the case, but it's actually the, what is this called? Like the little bubble wrap, the plastic wrap that's over the case, protecting it from scratches. But wow, here's the iconic Casetify border. This is really, really cute. Okay, you guys can't really see it that well because my ring light is blocking it out, but let me try to show you guys in a better way. Okay, this should be better. So it's a cute pink case and it has my name right here. You should be able to see it better when I put it on my phone. I think this is super cute. It's super simple and it's just gonna look so cute on my phone. Okay, before we put the case on though, we gotta put on the tempered glass screen protector. Now y'all, let me tell you how much this screen protector was. This screen protector was $35. Again, I've probably never paid over $10, maybe $12, maybe $15 for a pack or for a screen protector. And those will be packs of screen protectors. That will be 2 or 3 screen protectors. So this is a singular screen protector for $35. Only reason I got it is because there was a $10 bundle sale. So I would get it for $10 cheaper. And I said, you know what? Let me splurge on a nice screen protector. And I just might be a dummy. Am I a dummy? We'll find out in a couple months. Okay, I'm not really gonna talk y'all through the process of putting on the screen protector because we've all done it, but this $35 case is thick. I am not mad at it. And just a quick note, guys, really take your time while trying to put on your screen protector because that can literally be a make or break for your phone, and it also affects the appearance and usefulness of your phone. If your screen protector is off by even like whatever the smallest of an inch is, it messes it up. Like my mom's, hers is a little low, so it makes it a little hard for her to get her control center. Anyway, I'm blabbing. Okay, guys. I have to make sure there's no personal information. I have my screen protector on there. It fits beautifully. You can barely even tell that there's a screen protector. Guys, that screen protector was so thick. Anyway, let's focus. Now, time to put on the case. I think it's just, you just snap that boy in there like this. Like so, like that. And it's in there, guys. I love this pink. The pink edge with the gold is so cute. And now we're gonna peel off the protective layer. Here is the beautiful case. Oh, there's something stuck in it. I have to take it off. Hold on. Okay, so there's a random particle in between my phone and the case. And this case is actually really hard to get off. Okay, now I have my life back together. Guys, the case looks so good. I'll do some close-up shots so you guys can see. But I'm definitely really satisfied with the case. It fits my phone so well. My phone does not feel bulky like it did with my $12 Amazon case. Oh, and I guess now I can tell you guys how much I paid for this. That case was $60. I know. You're shaking your head. You're like, Arion, you're a dummy. Why the heck would you pay that much for a phone case? Guys, the reviews have been great. This is a protective case. It's the second best Casetify protective case. And it's just so cute. And I think this will definitely last the entire time. Honestly, I love the case. I might still add a mirror on the back, but I'm not pressed right now, especially since I'm not leaving the house. I can just use my mirror in my room. But guys, absolutely love this case. I think it's so cute. Do I think it's worth the $60? I can't tell you yet, but I mean, the phone looks good. It feels good. It says it's protective. I customized it. Never had a customized iPhone case before. So, I mean, as of right now, I will have to say, yes, I think it was worth the $60. I know, don't cancel me. Don't call me a sellout. I know. But this case is really, really nice. I think I would actually even get more. This is in the future, not right now. Maybe it could be a Christmas gift for myself. I don't know. But from what I'm experiencing right now, I really, really like it. It looks really good. And my phone is definitely really snug. So, y'all, I'm impressed so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Casetify unboxing / review. I think my video is unique because I'm not sponsored by Casetify. A lot of videos that I saw, they were all sponsored by Casetify. So this is a real review. This is giving you the tea. I already told you the case and the screen protector was expensive, but I did say I think it personally was worth it. Now, for those of you guys that are on a budget, which I totally understand, I would say definitely check out Amazon. In all honesty, this case was a good case, but I just didn't like the color. And I honestly got it the day before I needed it, so I didn't really put that much time and effort. But there are so many other places where you can get cute, affordable cases that will also protect your phone, such as Target. Target always has cute cases. That's where I got my iPhone 8 Plus case. Check out, of course, Amazon. And do I have any other suggestions for cute cases that are affordable? I know Five Below used to have some, but I don't know too much. So I would definitely say just focus on Target and Amazon. If you guys have any other suggestions, comment down below in the comment area, and you know, we could be put on to some new case places. But alright guys, that's all I have for you guys in this Casetify unboxing slash haul slash review. Again, I am satisfied, and I can't wait to see what other accessories I get for my phone. I think I might want to get a matching AirPods case for my AirPods to match my phone, because I think that would be really, really cute. Alright guys, enough of me blabbing. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Again, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you can join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, but actually, before you guys click off, go watch that iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video. That was a lot of work. Go watch it. Alright, bye guys.